Care Park Ridge, and welcome to another segment of Word of Mouth Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about our general overall health and how it relates to our oral health. You may not think that there's a relationship, but there's a very, very strong relationship. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. One of the things that I have read in my research is that there have been studies that indicate that there's a very strong correlation between how we eat, how we exercise, and the weight that we maintain in relationship to our chances of having periodontal disease, gum disease. People that eat healthy, exercise on a regular basis, and maintain a very normal weight are 40% less likely to experience periodontal disease. 40% less likely. That's pretty compelling. If you choose to partake in two of those behaviors, if you eat healthy and you exercise regularly and maybe you just have a little bit of a problem with your weight, you are 29% less likely to develop periodontal disease or gum disease. And if you only participate in one of those behaviors, you are 16% less likely to develop periodontal disease. Those are pretty compelling numbers. That says that if you exercise regularly, if you just take care of yourself, you get outside and you do something for yourself that increases your heart rate, increases the blood flow, and you exercise, you're going to make yourself that much healthier in your oral hygiene or your oral health as well. If you exercise and you eat healthy, that's just going to be even greater for you. And if you exercise regularly, eat healthy foods, and you maintain a normal body weight, you are 40% less likely to develop gum disease. I like those numbers, and I think that they're pretty easy to obtain if we focus on ourselves, take care of ourselves. One of the things that I've become very passionate about is focusing on myself in utilizing yoga. And yoga also can really affect your oral health. And now you might say, well, how does meditation and yoga affect what's going on in my mouth? Well, simply yoga, as we mostly think of it, helps to reduce stress. So if we're using yoga correctly and we're learning how to breathe properly and we're stretching and we're relaxing and perhaps taking some time to meditate, we're going to decrease significantly the stresses that are in our lives. And those stresses can manifest themselves in oral issues. Canker sores, cold sores, clenching and grinding of your teeth are all symptoms that pop up in relation to stress. So if you're practicing yoga, if you're meditating, you're going to decrease those stressors in your life. You're going to find that maybe you don't clench quite as often when you're in traffic or you're stressed out about something. You might have learned how to do some deep breathing techniques that keep you out of the game of stress. If you meditate or do yoga exercises on a regular basis and you keep the stress levels down, your body's not going to respond to stress as much. And so you might see a reduction in canker sores if you're somebody that gets canker sores, or cold sores if you get cold sores. So yoga, meditation, eating healthy, and exercising regularly are all going to help you in maintaining really good oral care, oral health. And I think that's easy, and at the same time, you're taking care of your body. It's a holistic approach. We take care of our mouths, we take care of our bodies and our mouths will take care of us. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today, how you can utilize good eating habits, good exercise habits, maintaining healthy weight, and reducing your stress to actually improve your oral health. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, as always, please contact us at info@parkridgedvs.com or give us a call. And as always, we love making you smile.